delivering the latest news on ultimate happenings in the University Athletics Association of the Philippines. This is UAAP and Updates.
Delivering the latest news and ultimate happenings in the University.
The National University Nazareth Schoolboys Volleyball team finished the UAAP Season 8-7 with a silver medal after a 6-1 record in the second round, securing a spot in the Final Four and marking their 5th consecutive finals appearance. Showcasing great determination, the Bullpups ended round 2 with 6 wins against ADU, DLSC, Ateneo, UPIS, FUD, and UE, while only enduring a single loss to UST. Ending the elimination round with a 10-1 record, they tied with UST at the top and proceeded to the Final Four matchup. The Bullpups filled the arena with celebration after a reverse sweep battle versus UE, 3-2, 19-25, 27-29, 25-23, 25-22, and 2018. Team captain Miguel Eger led the scoring department with 22 points from 15 attacks, 6 blocks, and 1 ace last November 30, 2024 at the Philoil Eco Oil Center. Appearing once again in the finals, the Bullpups gave their all in a tight finals game 1, opposed UST 1-3, 25-18, 21-25, 26-28, and 19-25. Yuan Mendoza shined throughout the match with his 18 points from 15 attacks and 3 blocks last December 4, 2024 at the UST Quadricentennial Pavilion. The Bullpups put up a good fight, but ultimately struggled to regain their rhythm in the championship battle with UST 0-3. 17-25, 22-25, and 20-25, closing the season as first runner-ups. Team captain Miguel Eger's performance throughout the season bagged him his 3rd consecutive Best Middle Blocker award, while shining star Kalel Ronquillo won the Best Setter award. As the tournament ended, the NUNS boys volleyball team's commitment throughout the season allowed them to rise above hard-fought victories, and is now filled with enthusiasm as they look to reclaim their title in the next season.
Get the latest news and ultimate happenings from us and UD National. I am Marky Perez of TNTV reporting.